We started our Budapest trip like this, and it already felt unreal. This is Fisherman's Bastion, one of the most beautiful viewpoints in the city. It almost feels like something out of fairy tale. Our son couldn't stop exploring every corner.
Every little thing feels just right. Even shadows shimmer in this light. Leave the heavy, let it fall. Let the music take it all. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Shake it out, let the weight dissolve. Twist and turn, let the world revolve. Good vibes rising like a tidal wave. This is the freedom that we crave. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die.
Bak şimdi bana. Öyle değil. Ayağa kalk bari ayağa. Kalk ayağa. Bak şimdi bana. Right next to it, we found this stunning church, Matthias Church. The bells, the birds, the atmosphere, everything felt magical.
Every step's a rhythm, every heartbeat. Vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die.
During the Ottoman period, this church was used as a mosque before becoming a church again.
Flowing stream. Every little thing feels just right. Even shadows shimmer in this light. Leave the heavy, let it fall. Let the music take it all. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes
Inside the church, everything slowed down. For a moment, even our son stopped running around. It is one of those places you don't just see, you feel it.
Woke up late, sun kissed my face. No rush, no race, just a slow embrace. Flip flops, slapping down the street. Every step's a rhythm, every heartbeat. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die. Sky so blue like a postcard dream. Laughter echoes like a flowing stream. Every little thing feels just right. Even shadows shimmer in this light. Leave the heavy, let it fall. Let the music take it all. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day I die.
Then we continued towards Buda Castle. Walking through places like this, you really feel the history around you.
Tidal wave, this is the freedom that we crave. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only, good vibes only, good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up
From here, you can see the Danube River and famous chain bridge.
I die. Good vibes only till the day I die.
Views like this never get old.
Good vibes only till the day I die.
And in the distance, you can spot the Parliament and St. Stephen's Basilica. Both domes are exactly the same height, 96 meters, often seen as a symbol of balance between state and religion.
No rush, no race, just a slow embrace. Flip flops, slapping down the street. Every
And then we arrived just in time, the changing of the guard at Presidential Palace. One of those unexpected moments you don't plan, but don't forget.
Good vibes only till the day I die. Good vibes only till the day I die. Sky so blue like a postcard dream. Laughter echoes like a flowing stream.
We slowly made our way out of the castle,
Just right.
but this was just the beginning. Budapest has so much more to explore. In the next episodes, we will visit these places and discover the city step by step.
No time for drama, no time for fools. Hands up high, let the rhythm fly. Good vibes only till the day
Follow our journey as we explore Budapest together.
Good vibes only till the day I die.